I'm sure most of you, the youngsters, have your own mobile phone or maybe a smartphone. Do you like it? Yes? No? Let's have a review about it. Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. It's great to see you again in English Made Possible with me, Teacher M. For today's lesson, I'm going to touch on some tips on how to write a review essay for a product. There are a few types of products that you can write a review about. But for today, we're going to learn on how to write a review of a gadget. Let's jump right in and have a look at the sample questions here. Have you recently bought a gadget? Write a review about the gadget, explaining why you bought it, what do you use it for, and would you recommend it to others? Write your review in 200 to 250 words. Are you ready? Here we go. First, think of a gadget you recently used or purchased. There are a few types of gadgets such as laptop, smartphone, smartwatches, tablets, MP3 player, video camera, webcam, and many more. For today, since I know most of you, the youngsters, have your own mobile phone, we're going to write a review on a mobile phone. First, introduce the name of your mobile phone. For example, iPhone 11 Pro. Then explain a few features of the phone. For instance, the colors. It comes in an array of colors, but I have chosen the one in white. The size, the price, the camera, as I know many of you love to take pictures. Next, explain why you bought it. Maybe you lost your phone and you decided to get a new one. Or maybe it was a gift from your parents on your 16th birthday. Or you save your pocket money to get your favorite smartphone. Then, explain on the usage of it. You used to make calls and sending text messages through online application? Or you use it to browse for information related to your studies? You use it to listen to music? You also use it to download games via online applications. And finally, would you recommend the iPhone 11 Pro to others? Yes, it is worth the price you paid for and user-friendly. Now, let's refer to the sample essay here.
When I lost my old phone last month, I decided to save my pocket money and purchase my favorite smartphone. The iPhone 11 Pro was the one that caught my attention for a number of reasons. It comes in an array of colors, but I have chosen white, as it appears to be more attractive than any other colors. First, I consider this smartphone to be excellent value for money due to its high storage capacity. Besides, I am impressed with the advanced technology it provides. I love the camera capabilities to capture good pictures as well as videos. Apart from that, the size of 6.1-inch display is just nice to carry in my pocket. The best thing about this phone is that it is easy to operate, even for someone who is fairly new with a smartphone. Personally, this smartphone suits my needs, as I can use it to not just make calls, but to also send text messages via WhatsApp and Telegram applications. Moreover, I also can use it to check my emails. Furthermore, I also use it to browse for information via online. It also provides me with entertainment, where I use it to download music and games. In conclusion, the iPhone 11 Pro is worth buying, as it is the most powerful Apple phone in the market. I would certainly recommend this phone to my family and friends. It is both user-friendly and worth it.
So, what do you think? Do you find it easy to write a review essay on a gadget that you're using? Yeah? That's awesome! That's all from me for this time. I hope you enjoy my lesson and have a nice day. See you next time in English Made Possible with me, Teacher M. To get your sample essay, please refer to the description below.